Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a custom startup message for all users on your computer using a free tool called Windows Login Notifier. Now you should be able to do this, without this using the local security policy on your computer. Not sure if you can for home editions though, but for Pro you should be able to. But regardless, this way is a really quick way to add a custom message for all your users. So it's a free download, nothing to install, just unzip the file here and you'll have the executable, then just run it. And then you could type in a title here. Let's say, then you could do a custom message too. Just click on add. Just close it out. So now we're logged in as Todd. We'll log in as Cindy here. You see there's the message there, the one I just typed in. Then she could log in, or if you go back to Todd, we could just go back to him. So even if I log Todd out here, gets the same message, and it'll stick for reboots too. So now, if I want to get rid of the message, just open it up again. Click on remove, close it out. Now if we log in Cindy again, she goes right to the login screen without the message. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download this tool. It's an older tool, it's been around for probably since Windows 7, but it still works for Windows 11, Windows 10, so you could try it out for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.